Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the advancement in AI, how using the artificial intelligence we can generate a photo or images from text or even videos from text, also PowerPoint presentation from text, and also ask some real-time educational information from AI, as well as generate music from the using artificial intelligence, and also ask ChatGPT AI to create a resume for us for a technical writer job. Or you can give any other job position and it will try to write a resume for you. So let's start with ChatGPT first. So here I'm giving you a prompt to ChatGPT. Create a resume for job post, which is technical writer. Convince the recruiter to set up a meeting for further discussion on job role, pay and other benefits or perks. If I'll give this prompt, let's see what will be the result. So it's giving me the format and then writing a resume for me with all those details like technical writer position. I have to just put the company name, job board or website, and it is explaining all the qualification, accomplishment, all those things, my strong points, my experiences, everything here. Documentation tool, technical proficiency, exceptional writing skill, all these it's highlighting for me in my resume. And then it's closing with this sincerely and thanking with the name, right? So using this AI, we can generate a resume template in just a couple of seconds, right? So this is very helpful for any kind of resume writing, technical writing. Using ChatGPT, we can do that. We can also ask some kind of programming or coding information as well with ChatGPT. ChatGPT has some limitation. It will not give us information which is recent or from the internet. For that, we use Bard, which is from Google. ChatGPT is from OpenAI company. Bard is again ChatGPT like text-based AI, where we'll pass or write our text or prompt, and Bard will answer in real time, and also it will search some of the information from the internet. So this is from Google. So if you give the same prompt that we have written here or same text message here in Bard, let's see what it gives. Now it's not fast as ChatGPT. Here is a sample resume for job post technical writer. It has put some template address, then technical writer summary for me. Then it's highlighting all the skills that is required for a technical writer. Then my experience based on the company. So it's giving one company experience, second company experience in bullet points. Then also highlighting education. So and any awards that I have got during my work tenure, right? And also it's giving a reference available upon request. All these thanking and details with the name sincerely. So this is again a resume template using Bard AI, which is from Google. Now let's move to Lexica Aperture. So this is a AI which generates images from a text that we give here. So I'm giving a text prompt here or writing a sentence like a lady librarian wearing a blazer and skirt thinking about something by putting a pen in her mouth in a museum full of sculptures. So if I'll just give this text, it will try to generate what I have described in this sentence. Let's wait for some time to see the results. And here we see it has generated some of the photos based on the text that I have given. Here you can see in the background we have sculptures, right? And then a girl which is wearing a blazer and thinking about something or writing, focusing somewhere, right? So this is the image generated based on the text that I have given. Similarly, we have something called Tome, T-O-M-E, Tome, where we can generate a PowerPoint presentation using AI, artificial intelligence. For ChatGPT or Bard or for Lexica or for Tome or for any other AI that I'm going to show you in later part of this video, all of these will need a Gmail account to at least sign in or sign up, and then you can use those AIs. So I already have created those accounts for me and use that to sign into each of these websites. Okay, so you can do that first and then you can work with these AIs. So let's get back to here. So I'll click on create, and here it's asking me on what topic I want to create. So I'll ask top 10 trending technologies of 2023. And it will try to generate a slide up to 8 slides or 6 slides using that title. Okay, so for that title it will automatically generate these slides for me. If I just click on continue, just see. So it's the first slide is title, second slide is all the notes, then third slide, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth slides it has generated. It is also adding pictures related to my slides. So if I'll just go to the first slide here, here you can see the title, the next big thing, top 10 trending technologies of 2023. That's my title page or slide. Then here it's introduction, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, augmented and virtual reality. So all these technologies has been highlighted, which are the future. Then introduction and then corresponding photo or image here added by artificial intelligence. Then AI is one of the emerging technologies. We are seeing the results today itself. Then photo corresponding to artificial intelligence. Then Internet of Things. So Internet of Things text is generated as well as the picture for that. Then we have blockchain. Then we have augmented and virtual reality. And then we have conclusion, like all these technologies, what and how it can help to better our future. So this is how it's generate a PowerPoint presentation just by giving just one line of title. Next, we are going to use Beatoven, okay, or basically Beatoven. It generates music based on the text or description that we will give. Okay, so it's asking me for how many duration I want to keep this music. So up to 15 minutes of audio or music file I can generate. So let me give it for 2 minutes. Okay, and then it's asking whether we want slow, medium, or fast paced audio. I'll just keep medium. I click next. Okay, so there are some previews like Indian, cinematic, hip hop, electronic. We click ambient and I'll apply. Then out of ambient, what kind of emotion or I want to assign? So calming, sad, scary, cheerful. So let me give cheerful, and it will try to generate a music based on the tracks I selected. So it's using AI to generate that music. Now it is finished generating the track, and here we see the result, and here it's the timeline. If we want to play, we can just play this. If this music or track is not good, you can just jump to other alternate tracks that it has generated. Let me play this one. So this one looks more convincing and better. We can download this track as well. Here it has generated another alternate track. So this looks better as well. So we can download these AI generated music tracks and use it for any of the content creation or for background music or for ringtone, all these applications we have, right? Now let's jump to a last one for this, how we can use a AI generated video, right? So just click on this one, and here we see it's a AI video which will be generated using this model, AI model created here. And let's click on create AI video. So this is a free video I'm creating. That's why this is the watermark from this company Deepbrain, which is helping me to create the AI. Now I can select models from here. Okay, so any of these models I can use. Let me use this. Okay, so against the red background, let me do that. Okay, or this one. So this looks better to me for now. Okay, or let it be like this. Okay, so if I like this video, I can simply set the duration for 1.5 seconds. I can put the brand name here. Okay, learn with Newton. That's my YouTube channel. You can also go and subscribe this YouTube channel where I'm going to put this video as well. Please like, share, and subscribe. Fine. And now what I want this model to speak for me. So if I'll just write, hello viewers. Hello viewers, like us content. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Lord, visit.
Hello viewers. If you like Sarfaraz's content, please like, share, and subscribe to his YouTube channel Learn with Newton.
So that's the audio I have set based on this text or the script that I have provided. Okay, this is good. Now my model is set. Okay, and also all the design is complete. I can click on export and I can export a video with chroma key or audio or video fully, right? So my video is ready and I can go and click on export and click on video, and it will export it in a video format. Okay, it's asking some questions. Okay, so how I heard about this, occupying your position, educator, what part of video do you are asking, education, survey. It's just asking for some survey reasons. Here it's generating my video. Once it's complete, I will come back and I'll show you. Now you see the video is ready to play. Just click on play.
Hello viewers. If you like Sarfaraz's content, please like, share, and subscribe to his YouTube channel Learn with Newton.
So here you can see the subtitle is also showing. It's a free video, that's why this watermark is coming. You can download this video as well by clicking on download button and save it to your computer. So that's how AI can help you create so many contents like videos, music, PowerPoint presentations, photos according to your text that you are giving, as well as you search some of the resume templates, cover letters, any other educational content, or even ask for translation to Bard or ChatGPT, and it will translate from one language to another language as well. I hope you liked my videos and the content that I provide, and you'll utilize these AIs in your day-to-day work, and yeah, you'll get benefit from this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.